Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to blur a particular area of an image in PowerPoint, quickly and easily. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and head to the slide where you want to add the image. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose this device to upload your image. Next, once your image is on the slide, make a copy of it. Just select the image, press Ctrl plus C to copy, then Ctrl plus V to paste. You'll now have two identical images stacked on top of each other. Make sure they're perfectly aligned. After that, click on the top image and go to the Picture Format tab. Find the Crop tool and crop the image down to the area you want to blur. Adjust the edges carefully so it frames just the part you want. Now, with that cropped section still selected, stay in the Picture Format tab and look for Artistic Effects under the Adjust section. Click it and choose the Blur effect from the gallery. To complete the look, double-check that everything is aligned. You'll now see only the selected area blurred, while the rest of the image stays sharp. And that's it. A simple way to add a professional touch to your slides. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next